In this video, I'm going to teach you the comparison between SeeArt versus Character AI. So SeeArt and Character AI both offer AI chat and character interaction, but it's built with different strengths. SeeArt focuses on a truly free, multimodal experience with image, voice, and chat with fewer restrictions. Meanwhile, Character AI specializes in highly detailed, nuanced conversational AI with popular user-created characters. So let's see their differences. SeeArt AI is focused on multimodal and best for users wanting to generate images of their characters, use voice features, and enjoy fewer content restrictions. It allows anonymous chat with a long memory mode and enables deleting characters. It's also generous and free model. Meanwhile, Character AI focuses on character-driven, deep emotional and conversation AI. It has a stronger emotional, smart responses, and free but may feature waiting rooms during peak times. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.